Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a basic blog with SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan of web hosting. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, so how to start a blog on SiteGround in 6 easy steps. So number 1, select a hosting plan. So you can just select it. And number 2, choose your domain name. And number 3 is fill your information. Number 4, install the WordPress on the SiteGround, and here you will see appearance add new. Just tap on it, and from here you will just create your basic blog. So your basic blog software installation always come with a default theme, which means you have your design ready. If you don't like it or you are looking for something unique, there are plenty of free and of course paid courses and themes for your blog that you may choose from. So this is how you can start a blog on SiteGround. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.